Okay, so here's a short demo for how to use columns auto-link to link items into a shareable board to guests that don't have access to the linked items you have on other boards. So for example, here we have a board with the source data. The source data is not shared with any guests, and here's a shareable board with one guest account. So you can see that I'm sharing items, linked items from the source board, and I'm also sharing items from Auto-link's app. Now if you go to the shareable board, you can see that this user cannot see any other boards, and he can also not see the linked items, but using auto-links he can see the items. So if I go here and show you how I did it, I basically installed the column auto-link app. I linked the ID column to cost and date and saved it. So if I go back, I changed something in the source board. For example, I changed the cost for C01 to 500. If you go to the, you see the linked item also showed, the manual one. But if you go to here, let's change it to C01. Sorry. C01, the cost should change now, and if I go as a guest, I can see that the cost also changed. So I can add another one from a shared board. Let's say I create a column for status, okay. So I have the status here. I will also link the status. Active to status, okay. And I go back to the source board and I change C01 to no. I go to the shared one, C01 should change to no. Yep. I go to the guest account, C0 now it's changed to no. So this is how you can basically share a board with guests and link to boards that are not shared with guests. Thank you.